Available colors: black, blue, yellow. Holds up to 2 hoses. Perfect for holding low/high pressure hoses, regulators, and gauges. Easy snap design. Holds up to 2 hoses, perfect for holding low/high pressure hoses, regulators, and gauges. Easy snap design. Top reviews from the United States. Love these for long traveling times. These packing cubes were perfect for a recent 9-day tour of Ireland and Scotland. It made those 1 to 2 night stays and hotel changing so much easier. It made getting dressed on the trip so easy and organized. These had a place for you to label the bigger cubes. The 2 small long cubes were perfect for socks and underwear. The sizes of these are all so well thought out. The hardest part to using packing cubes is the first time you use them, trying to figure out how you will use them. Once you do that, you will be set for travel. These made my trip so much better and better organized. Do not expect to ever travel on a long or multiple city/state/country trip without these packing cubes. Highly recommend these.